Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Loves Park, local and long distance movers near me. We make sure your long distance move happens in a timely manner free from worry. Whether you're moving a single state over or you want to move across the country, we're here to assist you. With us, you get all the right moving services to make relocating a lot simpler. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts are providing a lot of other services as well, including packing and unpacking, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It might not be easy to reconcile the expense of hiring an Illinois moving company. A closer look at the benefits you get from the local moving company can help you understand why it's a practical option. The time savings you gain can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best decisions you made. It will also prevent you from needing to handle heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you get experts ready to make your local move extremely easy. Using local moving companies like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can easily get it done quick. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Loves Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.